Introducing the TT Silent M series from ventsus, the revolutionary inline mixed flow fan designed for quiet performance, powerful airflow, and superior energy efficiency. Designed with the latest in mixed flow technology, the TT Silent M series redefines what performance should sound like. Its aerodynamic impeller and acoustically insulated metal housing keeps noise to an absolute minimum. So minimal, you might forget it's even running. Whether it's tucked away above a quiet reading room, supplying fresh air in an apartment, or keeping equipment cool in a media space, the TT Silent M series fits anywhere other fans fall short, both in sound and size. It comes ready to install with a built-in power cord and a motor built for long-lasting use. The long-life ball-bearing motor is rated up to 40,000 hours, and the unit comes fully equipped with a built-in speed switch. From 4-inch to 12-inch duct compatibility, the TT Silent M series is available in 6 sizes to match just about any ventilation need, large or small. Have questions? Our US-based support team is here to help. Call us at 888-640-0925 or email us at support@vents-us.com.